Longevity is a subject that has fascinated scientists, doctors, and lay people for decades. While genetics plays a part in determining how long we live, studies show that diet is one of the most important factors in extending life and preventing disease around the world. Populations with the highest concentration of centenarians, those who live to 100 and beyond, share something in common. They tend to follow healthier diets, rich in whole, nutrient-dense foods that promote overall health in regions called blue zones, like Okinawa, Japan, and Sardinia, Italy. People regularly consume foods full of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and healthy fats that are linked to their long active lives. This food not only helps prevent heart disease, diabetes, and cognitive decline, but also promotes cellular repair, reduces inflammation, and supports gut health, all of which are key components of aging. While Dr. Shigeaki Hinohara is one of the most loved in Japan and a world authority on longevity that lived up to 105 years old, he spent his whole life studying how does humans live longer, happier, and healthier life. His book Living Long, Living Good serves as a guide on how to lead a more fulfilled lifetime. At 100, he said he felt like in his sevens, and at 101, he made even a trip to New York to give a lecture. So what's ahead? His secret of longevity. He's about to disclose his daily diet. But first on, in this video, we will highlight specific foods that have been scientifically linked to longevity. Now we will sort our list from 7 to 1 and watch until the end of the video. At the end of the video, I will share with you the dietary advice of Dr. Shigeaki Hinohara, the oldest doctor in Japan. Incorporating certain foods into your daily diet can greatly enhance your energy levels, health, and overall well-being. Before we proceed, if you're enjoying this content, please consider liking, commenting, and sharing it with friends to help more people find the channel. This content is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as medical advice. Always seek guidance from a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for tailored dietary advice. Now let's explore the foods you should eat daily to possibly live to 100. Music. Leafy greens are often seen as the foundation of a healthy diet. For good reason, these vegetables are filled with essential nutrients that support long-term health, making them a vital part of any longevity-focused eating plan. Common leafy greens include spinach, kale, Swiss chard, collard greens, arugula, and mustard greens. These greens are excellent sources of vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which promote overall wellness, especially when eaten regularly. One major benefit of leafy greens is their high nutrient density. They are rich in vitamins like A, C, and K, all crucial for maintaining health. As we age, vitamin A supports vision and immune functions, while vitamin C acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting the body from oxidative stress and maintaining healthy skin and connective tissues. Vitamin K, often overlooked, is essential for bone health and assists with blood clotting. Furthermore, leafy greens are excellent sources of dietary fiber, vital for digestive health. Fiber helps prevent constipation, promotes regular bowel movements, and aids in regulating blood sugar levels, reducing cholesterol, and maintaining a healthy weight. All important for lowering the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. Beyond their basic nutrients, leafy greens also contain phytonutrients with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. For example, kale and spinach are rich in lutein and xanthan antioxidants, beneficial for eye health by protecting against age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss in older adults. Other greens like mustard greens and arugula have glucosinolates known for their potential cancer-fighting properties. Fermented foods are another key component of a longevity-focused diet. Fermentation is a natural process where sugars are broken down by bacteria, yeast, or molds, resulting in probiotics, beneficial microorganisms that support gut health. Some of the most popular fermented foods include yogurt, fear, kimchi, sauerkraut, miso, tempeh, and kombucha. These foods have been enjoyed in various cultures worldwide for centuries and are known for enhancing digestion, immunity, and overall health. One key reason fermented foods are so beneficial is their ability to promote a healthy gut microbiome. The gut house is trillions of bacteria, and maintaining a healthy balance of these microorganisms is crucial for overall health. The probiotics abundant in fermented foods help replenish and support the growth of beneficial bacteria, boosting digestion and nutrient absorption. A healthy gut microbiome is also vital for immune function, as it helps protect the body from harmful pathogens and moderates the immune response. Aside from digestive benefits, fermented foods have been linked to improved mental health known as the gut-brain axis. The connection between the gut and brain has been a research focus. In recent years, studies have found that a healthy gut microbiome is linked to better mood-reduced anxiety and a lower risk of depression. Probiotics in fermented foods help produce neurotransmitters like serotonin, which regulates mood and is vital for mental health. Fermented foods also support the immune system by enhancing the body's natural defenses. Probiotics in these foods prevent harmful bacteria from establishing in the gut, reducing infection. Risks furthermore, fermented foods are rich in bioactive compounds, like peptides, with anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects. By reducing chronic inflammation, fermented foods can help prevent a range of age-related diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. Whole grains are essential in a diet aimed at longevity, unlike refined grains, which lose fiber and essential nutrients through processing. Whole grains maintain their natural goodness, offering a rich source of fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Common whole grains include brown rice, quinoa, oats, barley, farro bulgur, and whole wheat. These grains are linked to longer life, mainly due to their role in regulating blood sugar, improving heart health, and supporting digestive function. A key benefit of whole grains is their high fiber content. Fiber is crucial for maintaining digestive health by supporting regular bowel movements and a healthy gut microbiome. It also helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing spikes and crashes that can lead to insulin resistance, and type 2 diabetes. Studies consistently show that people who consume more whole grains have a lower risk of developing diabetes, as these foods help the body use insulin more effectively. Whole grains are beneficial for heart health as well. The fiber in whole grains lowers cholesterol levels by binding to excess cholesterol in the digestive system and preventing its absorption into the bloodstream. Additionally, whole grains contain plant compounds like lignans and phytosterols, which reduce inflammation and lower cardiovascular disease. Risk the magnesium in whole grains. Also, aids heart health by regulating blood pressure and improving circulation. Another reason, whole grains aid longevity is their ability to provide sustained energy, unlike refined carbs, quickly broken down into sugar, leading to energy crashes. Whole grains digest, slowly releasing energy gradually. This makes them a great source of long, lasting fuel supporting metabolism and preventing fatigue. Olive oil is widely regarded as one of the healthiest fats integral to the Mediterranean diet, often associated with long life and reduced chronic disease risk. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats and powerful antioxidants, promoting heart health, reducing inflammation, and protecting cells from damage. One reason olive oil aids long longevity is its heart protective properties. Studies show that replacing unhealthy fats like trans and saturated fats with olive oil significantly lowers cardiovascular disease risk. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil improve cholesterol levels by raising good cholesterol HDL while reducing bad cholesterol LDL. This reduces arterial plaque buildup, lowering heart attack and stroke risk. Olive oil is also loaded with polyphenols, antioxidants that protect the body from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress occurs when free radicals damage cells, contributing to aging and disease. The antioxidants in olive oil neutralize these free radicals, reducing inflammation and boosting cellular health. Chronic inflammation is a leading cause of age-related diseases, including arthritis, diabetes, eye, diabetes, and cancer. By incorporating olive oil into your diet, you can help mitigate these risks and support long-term health. Another benefit of olive oil is its positive effect on brain function. Research indicates olive oil may protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and dementia. The polyphenols in olive oil reduce brain inflammation, improve cognitive function, and support memory retention. Furthermore, olive oil's ability to improve blood flow and lessen oxidative stress may help prevent cognitive decline. Beyond internal health, olive oil is known for promoting youthful skin. Its high vitamin E and antioxidant content protect the skin from premature aging by reducing wrinkles, dryness, and damage from UV rays, making olive oil an excellent addition to your diet and skincare routine. Whole grains are essential in a diet aimed at longevity, unlike refined grains, which lose fiber and essential nutrients through processing. Whole grains maintain their natural goodness, offering a rich source of fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Common whole grains include brown rice, quinoa, oats, barley, farro bulgur, and whole wheat. These grains are linked to longer life, mainly due to their role in regulating blood sugar, improving heart health, and supporting digestive function. A key benefit of whole grains is their high fiber content. Fiber is crucial for maintaining digestive health by supporting regular bowel movements and a healthy gut microbiome. It also helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing spikes and crashes that can lead to insulin resistance. And type 2 diabetes. Studies consistently show that people who consume more whole grains have a lower risk of developing diabetes, as these foods help the body use insulin more effectively. Whole grains are beneficial for heart health as well. The fiber in whole grains lowers cholesterol levels by binding to excess cholesterol in the digestive system and preventing its absorption into the bloodstream. Additionally, whole grains contain plant compounds like lignin and phytosterol, which reduce inflammation and lower cardiovascular disease. The magnesium in whole grains also aids heart health by regulating blood pressure and improving circulation. Another reason whole grains aid longevity is their ability to provide sustained energy, unlike refined carbs, quickly broken down into sugar, leading to energy crashes. Whole grains digest slowly, releasing energy gradually. This makes them a great source of lasting fuel, supporting metabolism and preventing fatigue. Nuts and seeds are often overlooked in longevity discussions, but are powerful. Foods offering a wide range of health benefits, rich in healthy fats, protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Nuts and seeds support heart health, improve brain function, and help prevent chronic diseases. Common varieties include almonds, walnuts, pistachios, flax seeds, chia seeds, and pumpkin seeds. Each offers unique health benefits, but all pack nutrients promoting a long, healthy life. One major benefit of nuts and seeds is their cardiovascular health support. They are great monounsaturated fat sources, known to lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and raise good cholesterol, HDL. These fats protect the heart by reducing heart disease and stroke risks. Studies show regular nut and seed consumption links to lower heart disease risk, lower blood pressure, and healthier cholesterol levels. Beyond heart health, nuts and seeds are rich in plant-based protein, essential for maintaining muscle mass. Especially as we age, protein helps repair tissues, build muscle, and strengthen the immune system. Walnuts are an excellent plant-based omega-3 fatty acid source, supporting brain function and reducing cognitive decline risk with age. Omega-3s are also anti-inflammatory, protecting against conditions like arthritis. The fiber in Nuts and seeds is another reason for their longevity benefits. Fiber is crucial for digestive health and blood sugar regulation. It also aids weight management by promoting satiety and reducing overeating. The fiber in nuts and seeds also lowers certain cancer risks, particularly colorectal cancer, by promoting a healthy gut microbiome and regular bowel movements, avoiding excess sugar and processed foods. Dr. Hinohara also avoided excess sugar and processed foods. Excess sugar and processed foods contribute to aging by accelerating oxidative stress, promoting chronic inflammation, and leading to insulin resistance, all of which damage cells and shorten lifespan. High sugar intake causes glycation, a process where sugar molecules bind to proteins, forming advanced glycation. End products, ages, that impair skin elasticity and accelerate aging. Processed foods, often high in unhealthy fats, preservatives, and refined sugars, contribute to metabolic disorders, cardiovascular diseases, and cognitive decline. A Japanese study from the National Institute for Longevity Sciences found that diets rich in whole natural foods were linked to lower levels of inflammation and longer lifespans, reinforcing traditional Japanese dietary habits that emphasize fresh vegetables, fish, and fermented foods for longevity. He believed in eating fresh, natural ingredients that provided essential nutrients in the last chapter. Let's examine Dr. Shigeaki Hinohara. Dietary advice. Diet played a crucial role in his long and healthy life. However, his approach was simple and moderate rather than extreme. It's best not to tire the body with too many rules, such as lunchtime and bedtime. Hinohara said in a 2009 interview with the Japan Times, he had at least one routine breakfast coffee, a glass of milk and orange juice with a tablespoon of olive oil. Olive oil is great for the arteries and keeps my skin healthy. He told the Japan Times lunch often milk and a few biscuits or nothing. When too busy to eat dinner, vegetables, a bit of fish and rice, and twice a week 100 g of lean meat. Occasionally, a little dark chocolate. As a treat, the doctor believed, keeping your weight in check is critical to living a long life. All people who live long, regardless of nationality, race, or gender, share one thing in common: none are overweight. Though Hinohara didn't seem to eat much. He said he never got hungry because he was focused on his work, which may have been another secret to his longevity. He rarely ate large portions and emphasized the importance of stopping. When feeling about 80% full, living to 100 isn't just about genetics. It's about making daily health-conscious choices. The foods we eat profoundly affect aging, and including these longevity-boosting foods in your diet can significantly enhance your well-being and lifespan. Each of these foods offers unique health benefits, contributing to long-term vitality, working together to reduce inflammation, support heart and brain health, enhance digestion, stabilize metabolism, and provide essential nutrients for optimal body function. Beyond individual foods, a holistic approach to diet and lifestyle is vital for longevity. Consuming a balanced nutrient-dense diet, staying physically active, maintaining strong social connections, managing stress, and getting enough sleep all contribute to a longer, healthier life. Many of the longest living populations, like those in the blue zones, prioritize these lifestyle factors alongside nutritious diets, music,